Hi everyone. This video is just made to help you fix the issues when the videos are not playing in your browser. So we hope you're using Chrome. We've seen that most of the time it's the one that allows the videos to work if you have issues. So try downloading Chrome first. So here I have an example of one of the videos not working. So I'm pressing here. Okay, I got the video. I pressed play, but it doesn't actually play. Now, if it pops up and it says you don't have permission or you're not allowed to access or something like that, then contact us. But if it's kind of starting to play but not playing, I'll show you how to fix that. It's a cookies issue. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. What you do is you go to three dots here, and then you go to settings in your Chrome browser, and then you scroll down until you get to advanced. You click on advanced, and then you scroll down to site settings, and then you go to cookies and site data, and then here you can see block third-party cookies. You don't want that to be on, so you turn it off, and then this is what you want on, off, off, and then you close this. And now I'm going to refresh this. So let's see. I'm going to play a video. And let's see. There you go. Okay, so that's all you have to do to make that work. Good luck.